All right, everybody. I thought I'd take a quick minute to review the impact data mapping project that we discussed yesterday and just give you a quick video tutorial about how to go about mapping out the locations that you have worked. If you start with the short, form that I sent out um, earlier, you can simply make sure that you identify your school districts, your organizations that you've worked with. Go back to your calendars or impact data to find that. Then secondly, discern which tier each of those locations would belong to. So tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. I took all this text from our last November newsletter, so just use that to basically figure out where each of those locations should fall under. And then lastly, you're going to go to the shared Google map. There's only one map for all of us, and we'll be plotting all of our locations that we've worked in on the one single map. So you're just going to click in this link, and that's going to launch the map. Now when you look over here, you're going to see that there's the 4 tiers on the left-hand side. You're going to notice that they're each in a different color. I've also starred the regional center sites. And basically, if you look at the color bar here, the blue on the left hand side, what you're going to notice is that as you click on the different tiers, that bar moves. That bar is there to indicate which tier or which layer you're working in. So let's just say that I'm going to be working in tier 2 because I'm going to put in Southeast Service Cooperative down in Rochester as one of my examples of a tier 2. I'll make sure I'm clicked into tier 2. Here's the blue bar. I simply go up here and start typing in Southeast, I think it's Southeastern Minnesota Service. Nope. So that's not quite it. So Southeast Service Co-op. No. You'll start to see that they start to auto generate. And here I see that it populates at Southeast Service Cooperative. Simply click it and it's going to bring you a location, and basically it's going to show up as a green pin. I verify that that's the location. Then I'm going to go right here to add marker. I click add marker, and at that point it brings it up as my example right here. Add to, I clicked it and then I went add to map. Now you see that it defaulted to red. So if I'm looking over here on the left hand side, I can see Southeast Service Cooperative. You're going to change that to the color that matches that tier, and happens to be green for that tier. We can change colors later. We can even change icons later if we want. But for now, let's just kind of keep everything according to the color that we see in the left-hand side. That's all there is to it. You basically just move on to the next one. If you messed up, you can go back over here whenever you highlight one of these. If you messed up on one, you can go to it and simply click the delete, trash can icon, and it will get rid of it. I'll just go ahead and delete Southeast for now, and then it's gone. And you can move to other levels as you need to. If you have questions, feel free to email me or get in touch with me, and I'll be glad to help you out. All right, thanks.